Hey guys, it's Lanley again. Today I'm back again with another video. I haven't posted a video in a long time, especially food video. I haven't posted any food video in a long time. So I just want to show you guys this special food video that one of my guys about to make today. I've never had it before in my life. We're gonna see how it tastes. So make sure you guys try this out. I don't know what it's called. It's gonna tell you guys what it's called and how to make that. It says it's gonna be good. I hope so. So let's see what you got to say.
Alright, so first off, I got rotisserie
Oh,
chicken.
what was it? What's the name? What's it called? The food called?
This is buffalo chicken dip.
Buffalo chicken dip.
It's buffalo chicken dip, and basically you can either get. I went to Walmart and I got two rotisserie chickens. You can get as many as you want. I got two rotisserie chickens and I cut them up into dices. After you cut up your chicken, I usually start with the sauce next. I make sure the sauce tastes good and everything before I actually put the chicken in there and stuff like that. So right now I'm about to just measure out everything. Usually it asks for like a half a cup of buffalo sauce, but I'm gonna just put a cup to add more spice.
So for those people, just to break it down for you guys. So what I mean by the chicken, we went to Walmart and we got the chicken that's already cooked.
Yeah.
So this chicken is cooked, is in the Walmart. Let me show you guys what it look like, so you guys can see. Oh shit! So this is what it comes with. This it comes in this plate. So when you guys go to Walmart, just look for that. We bought two. And it's gonna be using this sauce,
Yeah.
our sauce.
Preferably, and you really want to use the red hot wing buffalo sauce. You're not just regular hot sauce, but
Yeah,
you can
guys.
if you want to. But
So right now it's just measuring the sauce. Like you guys know in my other video, I don't mention nothing, but I just be boom boom, just pour that shit in it. I don't like to mention because I just feel like that's what white people stuff, you know. So
all right, for the sake, this is a cup, but it's a little bit in there left. I don't know if y'all can see, so I'm just put that in there. Yeah.
So apparently this nigga just use all the sauce, you know. Let's see. So we got this rice cooker stuff we using. You can use anything. Like I said, you can use anything. We just using this.
Yeah, let me show 'em. So usually, after you would usually mix everything up in a bowl, and then after you mix it up, you would pour it in here. Obviously, you got to use oven spray so it doesn't stick to the pan. But in this case, I'm gonna just mix everything up in there and let it heat up. Like I said, because I'm trying to get the right consistency for my dang, I can't even think of what it's called.
Well,
Sauce.
yeah, for the sauce.
Yeah.
How many cups do you use?
This is just 1 cup. 1 cup of red hot wing buffalo sauce. And then so the blue cheese. This is buffalo chicken. Damn, I can't even talk. You got to edit. Chicken buffalo dip. So you want to use blue cheese. You can use ranch, but it'll taste better with blue cheese.
So this is my first time having blue cheese. I hope this shit is good. If it's not, I'm gonna have to kill someone. You already know. So right now, the sauce is boiling, as you can see.
So same thing basically, but I'm gonna just go a cup. It asks for half a cup, but I'm gonna just go a cup. Might be the whole thing. Yeah, it's the whole bottle.
For a cup?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No, that'll be a full cup. It'll be like a little over, but it'll be alright. Cause I used 2 rotisserie chickens, so it'll be alright. You usually supposed to use 1. Make sure you let them know that, but I use 2 just.
So what it did with the chicken, it just cut it off. It just chop everything in little pieces. Everything, as you can see, everything's at the chop up. Chopped.
Okay, so we got that, and it's a whole stick of cream cheese, a whole stick of cream cheese.
You need to go to the gym.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, you can just open it.
So we gonna add. So I'm gonna add a little bit of just a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it a little more spice or whatever. The point of it is for it to be spicy, but I'm not gonna make it too spicy.
That's a little bit.
I got this in there too, though.
Uh,
I don't want to make it too spicy. Okay, cool. So, and then shredded cheese. So the thing, what I do with my cheese, I add some in here now, and then once I mix everything up and then put it in the pan, I'm gonna put it on top of the pan, on top of it also. I'm gonna pour like half the bag. I'm not fuck that. We talking. I'm gonna pour the whole bag.
Actually, we bought two.
Yeah.
Two of them. I don't know what's gonna use the second one for.
I'm gonna use the second one to like a garnish. I'm gonna put it on top, basically.
Makes sense.
There you go. So now I'm gonna just mix everything up. So basically, I'm gonna just let this cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and taste it. Okay.
So see you guys in like
Give me like
5 minutes. See you guys in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes right now, and the food should be, the sauce should be ready. My bad, not the food. The sauce should be ready. Look at how the sauce looks now after 5 minutes.
Okay, so now we're gonna try it out and see if we like it.
So we're gonna give it a taste and see if it's spicy or it's not spicy enough. Normally, I don't think it's gonna be that spicy to me because you already know I love my shit super spicy, and I'm telling you, if it's super spicy, I don't think that y'all can eat this shit. But let's see
That ain't bad.
if this shit's spicy. Oh, one thing. That's not bad. That's spicy.
Perfect. So now that we got our consistency and the right flavor or whatever, now we can put the chicken in and mix it all up. And then, ooh, that's spicy to me because I don't like spicy stuff like that.
Yeah, like I said, it's not that spicy to me, but it is spicy in the other end.
All right.
So we're gonna add the chicken into the sauce, as you guys can see.
So you're just gonna mix it up.
So make sure you guys spread the pan before you guys put your sauce in it. So make sure you guys spread the pan. Damn.
This shit gonna last for a week.
For real, bro.
But I know I'm
Yeah, preheat the oven.
325.
325.
And basically, like, let me put on some gloves. And basically, like I said, the second batch of cheese is just to garnish on top, make it extra cheesier. You don't have to do that, but it'll make it better.
So for those people that doesn't like cheese, like me, I don't really fuck with cheese like that because I don't like cheese like that because of the what's it called? What's the name? I forgot what's called. It's called lactose.
Oh yeah, if you lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I'm lactose intolerant. So when I buy my milk, it's always lactose free. Like anything I buy is always lactose free because I can't do that.
Alright, so I'm gonna put it in uncovered just to let the cheese melt on top or whatever. I guess you can show them how it look right before I put it in. But you gonna come on cheesy. Alright, y'all. Preheat oven to 325. I'm gonna put it in. Honestly, you can set a timer if you want, but I'm gonna just keep checking it. Basically, it's just you just letting the cheese melt on top. That's all that is.
So how long is it gonna take?
Like I said, you can set a timer if you want, but honestly, it's just best if you don't and just keep watching it because the cheese is gonna melt pretty fast.
5 to 10, 7 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys the end result and let you guys see how it takes. And I'll be rating its food 1 to 10. I'll be honest. If it's trash, I'm gonna let you know it's trash. There's nothing. I'm not gonna cap. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to cap or tell you guys lie. If it's bad, I'm gonna tell you it's bad, and if it's good, I'm gonna let you guys know it's good. So in 5 to 10 minutes, I'll see you guys. So we're back again with the video. So as you can see, and it was in the oven for like 5 minutes. So after that, we put it down for like 5. No, I lied.
10 minutes.
It was in the oven for 10 minutes. So after that, we'll leave it. We set it down for like 5 minutes so it can cool off before we start dipping down it. So right now, as you guys can see, the cheese is melted. We have the cheese. We're gonna be eating away. So we're just gonna be dipping. I'll be giving the rating and let you guys know if it's good or if it's bad. I'm 100%. I'm gonna be 100% level with you guys. If it's trash, I'm gonna let you guys know. So let's see how it tastes.
Alright, here we go.
So we're about to taste test this. Let's see if it's good or not. I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10. I'm will rate it from 1 to 10.
One time, I'm not gonna lie. It could have been a little more spicier and stuff, but I give it a 7. 1 to 10. 7.5. 7.5.
So if you give it 7, I don't know what I'm gonna give it, probably 2. Let's try this. Let's see. I won't lie. I would give it a 7 too.
Say exactly.
The reason why I'm giving it 7 is because I don't like cheese too much like that. I feel like it's too much of cheese in it. Like
Okay.
too much of cheese, and I don't fuck with cheese like that.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely, it's good. For
Not
real.
bad. Not bad.
It's not bad. This is actually good though. I'll give it that. But
Okay.
definitely it's too much of cheese. That's definitely too much, in my own opinion.
Sure.
For those people that like cheese, this is probably your best shit right here. If you like this cheese, this shit is perfect for you. Perfect. So, like I said, I'm gonna be trying mine with bread and see how it tastes. So, but the cheese was good though, for real, no cap. I fuck with it. So,
Come try it, bro.
come try this shit, bro. So we're gonna tell someone else to try this. I think this bald ass nigga.
Come on, bro. Come try it.
So we're gonna tell it to taste this and let you see how much it's gonna weigh this between 1 to 10. Just try that shit, bro. Just try it.
Wow.
Nigga can't eat with
It gotta cool off. It's kind of fucking.
You said what?
It gotta cool off. That's why the texture like that. It's not too spicy, is it? It's not too spicy, is it? We could have made that bit more spicy though, low key.
What will you rate it though?
8.
8?
Ain't bad.
It's not bad.
Come on, bro. Keep you one, bro. Rude. Come on, bro. I ain't seen another one.
My God.
Damn.
Oh.
You good? What the hell was that? Hey, so can I get some more now?
That's hard.
She gotta rate it.
Why it taking forever, bro? Why do you have to think about it?
Because if I'm judging it, I gotta get the flavor.
Taste it again.
Okay.
Is it too spicy?
Mm-mm. It's not that spicy.
It ain't spicy at all, actually.
Damn, we could have added some more damn good. I know if it's gonna be too spicy, that's why I like fucking.
Good.
You gotta rate it. That's
It
why
needs some more.
It has hot sauce, hot
What? Some more? What?
like salt or
It
something.
do taste like a lot of
Something.
cheese. It is a lot of cheese. Like, if you're not a big cheese fan, you ain't gonna care for it.
Right. Okay, but
Like,
That
there's
was
more
good.
cheese than fucking chicken in that bit. Like,
garnish it with the cheese on top. That was it.
Garnish.
Well, not garnish. That is the bad word to use. I'll put a lot of cheese on top.
Garnish.
That's how we eat it back home.
It's all gorgeous.
So what do you rate it? 1 to 10?
Dang.
But
Hold up.
But I
My
said, it ain't
answer
bad.
is
It just,
damn,
that's
bro.
more for, like, cheese over.
Okay, bad.
what do you rate it?
She don't fuck with cheese, so she about to say like a 4 or some shit.
Yeah, it's like
What?
it's like a 5.
A five. Alright,
Oh,
man.
Yeah.
cool.
Alright, dig in. Like,
It's not
So
nasty.
we got 1 5,
Yeah.
2 7, 1 8.
More.
So, like I say, if you don't like cheese, don't put too much in it. But,
alright, bad.
I mean, it tastes good though. I don't care. But too much of cheese, man.
It's for cheese lovers.
Okay, brown. We all know that.
Come on, bro. You just trying to hurt that nigga feelings.
Alright, for sure now, bro.
So, guys, make sure you guys try that shit out. It's good. Make sure you guys try it out, and you can try with anything. For me, I'm trying to try it with bread, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with bread. So make sure you guys try it out. If you guys love that video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and tell your family. Since everybody's home, you guys can try this shit out.
That's all you need right there?
So
Come on, bro. With the bullshit.
let me know how you guys feel. Comment below and let me know. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.